Okay, so I'm trying this again because I fixed my last one, but it apparently didn't have any audio, so I'm trying this again. I'm going to use my advanced conditionals 3 because it was probably the shortest one I did with the most conditionals. So what this program does is it asks for 2 user prompts, as I'll show here. So I'll go 3 and 6. And yeah, my output here, which I'll scroll to make it fit in the future. It says that on a chessboard, my entered value of 3, 6, like I had entered there, is black. Ask if I would like to repeat. If I say no, it doesn't repeat. So the first thing that I have is it's a conditional loop. So while this game running variable is true, all of my program will repeat. You'll see at the end that like where I have it so that way it can shut off, like I had it happen up here. So this here is just these are variable values that get altered based on this whatever the user input is here. This makes it so that way instead of returning a string as the user input, it would be an integer. I don't want to change that. Yeah, input 1 and input 2, they do the exact same thing. So the way that these conditionals work to decide whether it be black or white is if input 1 is even and input 2 is even, it's white. If input 1 is even, if input 2 is odd, then it's black. If input 2 is even, okay, yes. If input 1 is not even, it'd be odd. Then it says if input 2 is even, it would be black. If input 2 is odd, it would be white. Then yes, what this does here is it prints on a chessboard your entered value of, and then this it adds, it appends the string, or appends it as a string into this print statement here is what that does. And then down here I have this repeat variable, which same thing is like an integer input, asking if they want to repeat the game, yes or no. If they say no, then this game running variable turns into false and the program ends. And yeah, that is the program.